Golem is a decentralized organization with a gathering of best programming designers who foster programming and innovation arrangements universally. It makes a worldwide market for registering power, and the processing assets are open across the stage. It gives decentralized microservices and offbeat errand execution. Adaptable instruments assist the designers with making and circulate, and furthermore adapt their product arrangements. This large number of administrations are accessible for a charge relatively not as much as contenders. The Golem biological system plans to give programming improvement, AI, and logical estimation, which are the eventual fate of web blockchain, accessible and open for everybody. Golem was presented in Switzerland in the year 2016 by the Golem manufacturing plant. It was helped to establish by Julian Zawistowski, Andrzej Regulski, Piotr Janiuk, Alexandra Skrzypczak. The organization sent off in 2018, and the eco cost of GNT around then was 1 penny. At the point when the frenzy of digital currency was controlled, Golem detonated from its cost levels. What's more, GNT shows an unexpected convention to $1, which was astounding and an overbought position for another digital money around then. The biological system incorporates individual and expert software engineers, Golem application library, requesters, and suppliers. Golem tasks local coin is called GLM, which was moved from GNT. Highlights of Golem, GLM. The adaptable open-source Golem stage permits distributed networks, which give awards to both application proprietors and clients to lease suppliers' assets. It is described by availability, open access, oversight, safe convention, and adaptability. The relentless biological system is a shelter for programming engineers. SDK assists with holding their imagination and grandstand ability to the world. The processing power can be considered as the two foundations as a help and programming as an assistance. The installment frameworks are effectively available, modest, quick, and secure. The supplier establishment has been set up on the Ethereum mainnet, so when the supplier dispatches it, he will get a GLM token as a prize. On October 11, 2021, they reported the Beta 3 delivery, which upholds VPN and client use administration. The organization has presented Thorg, the main mining application worked in Golem, which is hoping to give more significant level local area commitment. Golem directs a prize administration program much of the time, which guarantees constructing an immense client base for the stage. The guide of the Golem has been partitioned into metal, earth, stone, iron. It has teamed up with speculative chemistry with a task called Get to Know Life at Golem. Golem has faith in the chances of Web3 and collaborated with Crowd, which is a specialist in the game improvement field. They have been related with better advancements in the framework. Its gone on up degree and innovation norms gives programming designers to track and run with the product development world. Specialized examination of Golem. The Golem cost today is around $0.3995, and it confronted a slight remedy with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $9,119,492.79. The most extreme cost as of now is enlisted at $0.437, and the base cost is $0.3985. The record-breaking excessive cost at which Golem GLM exchanged is $1.25, which was in 2018. An everything time low is noted at $0.008797, which was in 2016. Verifiable information and the specialized examination mirror that in the month-to-month graph from 2018 to 2022, Golem, GLM, cost has on around base development executing little worth exchanges. The GLM cost rise has seen bullish toward the start of the year. From June 22, 2021, the cost of the Golem has started an upswing which wound up at a cost of $0.787 from 76 cents low. Then after a cost remedy on Golem tokens took support at $0.507 with a Morningstar development. In any case, the upswing couldn't be supported, and GLM cost began moving sideways for the last scarcely any exchanging meetings. Significant specialized markers for transient cost expectations on the day-to-day graph information, relative strength record, RSI, is 35.13. MACD line is underneath the sign line. The cost of Golem is under 20 EMA, 50 EMA and 200 EMA. In view of specialized examination and GLM cost expectation, despite the fact that the ongoing cost of Golem digital money is decently negative, the high gamble of GLM coin doesn't give legitimate sign or affirmation on cost change. Financial backers and dealers can hold on to affirm the pattern over the obstruction level prior to making a transient speculation. In view of the close-term Golem figure, it is normal to exchange sideways for a brief time frame on the off chance that no news or digital money market bullishness is upheld. Golem Value Forecasts, 2022 to 2026. Golem cost expectations for the future show that a productive speculation gives a decent revisitation of the long haul. Conjectures for a very long time show Golem GLM be valued at 77 cents, which is multiple times productive than its ongoing worth. According to specialists' estimates, put resources into plunge and hang tight at changes in costs. The cost-volume pattern of the drawn-out cost graph from 2018 to 2021 appears to be intriguing. Note the huge cost change on the graph. The cost-to-volume marker is exceptionally unpredictable, which shows sometime the coin has been controlled, and cost and volume have disparities in conduct. Presently, regardless of whether the cost is attempting to push high, the volume has not expanded much contrasted with past exchanging areas. The purpose for such a contention is the high unpredictability of the crypto market, which varies and for each and every adjustment of the economy. Throughout the time span, cryptographic forms of money are supposed to be exceptionally demandable since they nullify the worries, exchange time, and charge of government-issued types of money. Golem Value Forecast 2022. Golem conjecture information for 2022 is reasonably bullish. The base GLM cost could reach 49 cents, Golem merit effective money management to contact a limit of 56 cents. In view of the drawn-out gauges, the Golem will exchange with a typical cost of 52 cents. Dealers can put resources into Golem for the medium term to acquire critical benefits from their venture. Golem Crypto Value Forecast 2023. The cost expectation Golem for 2023 from all specialists guessing that the Golem cost will raise a ruckus around town value level of 63 cents. The typical cost and least cost of Golem for 2023 is 58 cents and 53 cents separately. GLM Value Forecast 2024. Interest in any monetary road generally expects the worth of the organization will increment in the long haul. Likewise, dealers and financial backers can expect a cost ascend later on cost of Golem. In 2024, Golem